To begin with, we'll turn up tomorrow and expect to be playing 50 overs, and you know, if things change from there, then we've got to adapt and do what needs to be done. We weren't good enough batting in the 21 overs that we had last game, and something that we've got to do a lot better. Obviously we've got Stark, Hazelwood and Finch out as well, so two of our top bowlers, but I thought the guys that opened the other day, Coulton, and Cummins, were exceptional up top, and it's a good opportunity for guys to put their hand up. We still believe in these guys. We think they've got a lot of talent, and we've got a team here that can hopefully challenge India in the next couple of games.
Last one, Marty.
I don't think I'm in a bad place with my captaincy. Obviously our results haven't been the way we would have liked for a little while, and something that we're trying to rectify, but you know, guys are working hard. It's now about getting out in the middle and ensuring that we're getting the job done out there. It was obviously a disappointing start to the series the other day, but you know, we've got another game tomorrow to try and turn things around.